Hey BB Fat to live this is going to be another mukbang, Chinese mukbang video. So I have got like messages from my friends saying that they would like another mukbang, and I know I have been like not doing mukbang because people have told me not to do so much mukbang. So I'm like, okay, and then they told me to do another one, so I just did it. So this is a Chinese mukbang. This is white rice with chicken. Oh my god, it's gonna hurt. Tell me that did not look good to you. So that's what I'm gonna eat today. And I'm just gonna talk about life. So, my life has been very nice to me, very good, you know. Yeah. I always try to be like really positive and never get under my skin about stuff. But things like that happen. I'm very happy. Like, comment down below if you're getting like billion teas and stuff, because I want to like talk to you and tell you not to feel like you're alone. I know how you felt, you know. So don't feel like you're alone. But yeah, let's get on to the funner. So not so dark. You know, I was gonna like make the song, but I didn't get to because you remember it deleted. So now I had to what is it? Pre-record it. Yeah. Again, so that's annoying. And comment down below what annoys you the most about school, cause that's the thing that annoy me. The first one is definitely the kids. Not all, definitely not all, but some of the kids can be mean. I definitely. Oh, and comment down below if they put a tree in your like hallway, cause in my school they did. And guys, I've been checking my friends. You remember Nikolai and his Jamaica when I shouted him out? Go check out his channel, because go to my shout out video. I was in the bed and you'll see like that pretty mirror behind me, so go check that video out and then you'll see his name. So yeah, because I'm the only one that subscribed to him and I need him to get some more subscribers, because you know he was watching my videos for how long now and saying how much he wanted his, and like I want to share some. I have this thing and I want to share my subscribers with him. And sometimes I go to school and people like to talk about my YouTube. I have mad friends that like my YouTube and stuff. And I have some people that hate on me. Like really hate on me. Wait. Let me stop eating and get into this like real juicy talk. So lots of people hate on me just because I have a YouTube and all that, and I don't really get why they hate on me, because I'm not even that big, but they hate on me. They like to comment when I'm at school and saying that I'm this and I'm that. Um, it makes no sense. Cause they jealous for what, you know? Like, it's not easy just to get your own YouTube channel. But I'm not mad at them. I'm not gonna waste my time being mad at people for something that they're insecure with, you know? Yeah. Like them, if they need help to get their own, I'll help them, man. Tell them what to do, how to get on it. Oh my god, this food is good. So yeah, like, I'm like always thinking about something new to put on my YouTube channel. For you guys, of course. I can't believe it's already been 6 minutes. Oh my god, guys. Time moves mad fast. I'm gonna stop right soon because I don't want to pass 10 minutes. This food is good. Go to Bay Plaza. And then it's like on the top. It's like, you know where the food court is? And it's literally the store. You know the store right next to a footing. The shoe place. It's like a Chinese store. And they have good Chinese food there. I totally forgot the name. But we always get food from there. So this is what I'm with now. Oh my god, 7 minutes? Okay guys, I'm gonna have to hurry up. Okay. That's my last bite on YouTube because like 7 minutes, not much. So let's just your comment below to know post to your family, brother, sister, cousin, anybody you want. And yeah. Bye BG fam. Cut out.